swear. Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? What? 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 Look at this. Oh, I was literally just talking about how I didn't have this. Hey, not bad. Oh my, so close. Okay, legendary. Okay, dog shit.
First off, I always slay it, queen.
Easy claps! Okay, stop giving me bad stuff. Speed round? Okay. I think Krunker's trying to tell me something. Okay, green poly. You know, solid skin. You know what I really like about this skin? You wanna know what I really like about green poly? Nothing. It's dog shit. Give me a Contra. Okay, I'm gonna transfer my knowledge to Krunker. Oh, I hurt my head. I transferred too much knowledge. Fuck. I don't have enough knowledge. Those are literally the two same skin. Do a UCD spin? Okay, boys. It's UCD, all the way from down under, and today, we are trying to get a baller skin, okay? Okay, now we're gonna get a Contra. Ready, set, go. Speed run, speed run, speed run. Speed run. Again. Do 20 spins without talking. No way! No way! I can't not talk! Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. We unboxed Baller SMG. Now we unboxed Baller Sniper. We need Baller AK and we'll have everything. Baller AK! Baller AK! Come on, Baller AK! Okay, legendary, legendary. Prism knife! Oh! Bog champ! Bog champ! Bog champ! Okay, okay. We gotta get in a meditative state, okay? Kenzo! Kenzo, 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 Kenzo! Zebrick! Zebrick, Zebrick! 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 Okay. Prism knife! Ew. Yeah, I don't want that. We have 3 spins left. 3 spins left. 3 spins left. Okay. Okay. It's okay. No. One more skin. One more skin. Okay, boys.